share with y'all these new wigs that are about Outré. Now these are actually their new converti-cap wigs, and today I would only be sharing with y'all, like 4 of these wigs. Now I know Outré did come with like, I believe like 9 of these wigs, but y'all, I can only afford to buy with so many, so I would actually be sharing with you guys 4. Now I hope that you guys enjoy the video. I styled the wigs according to the best of my ability. I did use some heat onto my hair to actually get my hair straightened out for the sake of this video, but since my hair is so versatile and all that good stuff, I wasn't able to do I wasn't really able to review Hawaiian Hottie like I wanted to. So when it comes to these units, y'all, we're gonna first start with Hawaiian Hottie. So first we are gonna go ahead and start with the Hawaiian Hottie wig, y'all. So when it came to Hawaiian Hottie, I do believe that if you want to wear that wig, that it's best to wear that wig and wear some of your hair out. Now with that wig, I did not style that wig how I wanted to because I knew that I would have to wash all this gel out, and I also knew that I would have to straighten and style and all that good stuff. But so that's why I really didn't do a lot of styling with that wig in this video. So Hawaiian Hottie, she is a very cute unit, y'all, and she has more of a natural look. Now I believe that with that particular unit that you are gonna have to straighten your natural hair out and wear it as a leave out, or you can actually just straighten your hair out, wear a headband around the perimeter just so you can hide it. Next we're going to talk about Pina Curlata. Now with Pina Curlata, this one has more of a looser wave type pattern, and this unit, she did come off to me kind of thin, like on a thin side a little bit, and she wasn't really like one of my favorites. So I do believe that she only looked cute on me when I wore her up, like wore her half up and half down, but other than that, she really wasn't my favorite, but she's okay for the most part. Go with Beach Babe. Now Beach Babe, she is really cute, y'all. Beach Babe, she has more of a tighter curl, and she is very soft. Basically all of these new wigs are very soft, y'all, and this one has versatility as well. All of these wigs actually have versatility, but I really do think that this one is really cute. I really do like Beach Babe. Beach Babe is really cute. She's more like a tighter curl, and then she's not long, she's more on the shorter side. So if you guys don't want a lot of hair, I believe that you should go with Beach Babe. am wearing Bahama Mama on my hair right now. This is Bahama Mama, and Bahama Mama, she is very, very cute. I really love the curl pattern on this wig, and I love how versatile it is. And I love how it almost matches my natural hair texture. So I really like, really love this wig. This one's really cute. I did believe that with this unit, you can style this wig in a lot of different styles and a lot of different ways, especially if you're natural. I do believe that if you have my type of hair texture, if you like look in a lot of my videos, you can kind of see what my hair texture is. I really don't know, but yeah, I really do think this unit is really, really cute, y'all. I believe that this unit has a lot of versatility to this wig, especially if you are very natural.
Yeah, you want a fat burger?
Yo, you know you're on camera.
You want a fat burger? With a little cheese on it. You know how I like it.
Opinion about these units are that I was kind of struggling the whole video how I was going to style these units. So keeping in mind that like whenever you are shopping for these wigs, that keep in mind that you should like have a certain style in mind, because if you want, for example, if you guys want to wear Hawaiian Hottie, that you're going to have to straighten your natural hair and curl it and all that stuff just so it can actually match this wig texture and the curl pattern. And then if you guys want to wear the Bahama Mama wig, like the one I have on my head, then that's easily just slap some gel and some water on your hair and lay it down. And then if you guys want to wear the Pina Curlata wig, it's like, you know, you guys have to do the same thing. So I would like actually keep that in mind when buying these wigs, to keep that in mind, that buy these wigs according to what kind of style that you guys are going for. My absolute favorite one is probably going to be this one on my head, obviously, y'all. I want to say that these wigs were very, very comfortable to put on your head. They're very, very comfortable, and I can say that they did not play around with the flexi cap, because this cap is most definitely very, 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 very flexible. I can say that the cap is very, very flexible, and all the caps fit exactly the same. So if you, no matter what style that you get, all the caps have been constructed just alike. Like all of them fit exactly the same. I didn't have any type of issue there, so that was really good. These caps are very, very comfortable. You know how sometimes if you want to put like a half wig, like put your clips here and you want to secure it, that your clips actually hurt your head there. These clips are very, very comfortable. This wig is very, very comfortable. The only problem that I had with the wigs was that whenever you're trying to put the wig into a ponytail, well, it was probably just me because my hair isn't really that long in a ponytail, but I did notice that if you try to put your hair in a ponytail, that like it felt like really, really big. Like it just needed to be secured with probably a lot of bobby pins. On the brochure, they do have a step-by-step guide, so if you guys will need like help on trying to style these wigs and trying to like fit them on your head and all that good stuff, then they did include like a step-by-step. I probably would be trying out Curls Trip, which is this one right here, Curls Trip, and Curly KO is really, really cute. She kind of reminds me of that wig Atlanta that I reviewed by Outré. And then I also might be trying out Diva Darling, which is right here, and also After Midnight. She's really, really cute. So I might actually be trying those wigs out next and see what other type of styles that I would like. But so far, this one is actually my favorite one, y'all. This unit is actually my favorite one out of the 4 that I reviewed for y'all today. Now, the other ones, they're okay. The other ones are some okay wigs, but Bahama Mama, I can really say that she's like really my favorite. What do you ladies think about Outré's new Converti-cap units? Are you guys going to be buying these units? What styles interest you the most and what colors interest you the most? Please let me know in the comment section below if you guys are feeling Outré's Converti-cap wigs. Once again, thank you so much y'all for tuning into my channel today. I will catch you ladies in my next video. Don't forget to like this video so this video can be recommended to many other women. Let's definitely subscribe y'all, and I'll see you ladies in my next video.